Hi everyone, today we are going to write essay on Republic Day. 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day in our country. On 26th January 1950, the Constitution of our country was formally adopted and India became a fully sovereign, secular, socialist and democratic republic country. India achieved independence from British rule on 15th August 1947, but the country did not have any self-made official constitution. For this, a special Constituent Assembly was appointed under the presidency of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. After 2 years, 11 months and 18 days, the constitution was finally made. It was created in such a manner that all citizens of India could enjoy equal rights. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India came into force and day is referred to as Republic Day. People celebrated this day with lot of pride and passion. On this day, the President of India hosts the national flag on Rajpath in New Delhi. It is followed by a 21-gun salute and the national anthem. People from all over the country visit the Rajpath to view the grand celebration of Republic Day. In school, college, government offices and private organizations, the celebration enjoyed with full pride. March past parade take place in school along with other functions. Indians across the country celebrate the spirit of freedom and forget the difference between them, such as caste, religion, language and culture. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you.